Still working on next quarter's forecast? It's been 2 weeks. My users are still piecing together last year's numbers.
2 weeks? For a forecast?
It's not simple. My users dig through historical data, spot patterns, guess at trends.
Why put your planning teams through all that? Just set the parameters.
Parameters?
Item range, location, date range, frequency. My AI handles the analysis.
Forecasting doesn't work that way.
Parameters set, AI selecting best model, projections generating.
It selects the model automatically?
Always. Based on your data, patterns, and history.
But seasonality? My users always miss that.
Already accounted for. Seasonality, trends, cyclical patterns, all in the output.
It's probably just one number, right?
Projections by item, by period, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, whatever planners need.
My users, still on last quarter's data.
Maybe it's time to look forward?
Weeks of guessing. Minutes of knowing.
AI-powered BatchMaster ERP. Because guessing isn't a strategy. Built for what's next. AI-powered sales forecasting. Inside BatchMaster ERP.